What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and today I have special guest Trevor White here in person with me. Trevor's been spending the whole week with me here at the compound. We went to the farm, we've been working out, and we've got some exciting news for you. Before we dive into this exciting news, let's dive into this workout montage that we just got done filming. So, Trevor White, he is a client of mine. He just got done doing a 6-month competition prep with me. He got shredded as all get out. We got you down to what, like 3.5% body fat probably?
Just about, yeah.
And now you're about 7 weeks into a reverse diet.
Yep.
And we tested your body fat this morning, and you're still, according to the caliper test, sub 5% 7 weeks into a reverse diet. Pretty freaking cool.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
You want to kind of give a little intro as to your background and a little bit of who you are?
Yeah, for sure. So, like you said, my name is Trevor White. Call me T White. You can find me on Instagram at T White as well. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in exercise and nutrition science. I've spent the better part of a decade dabbling in ketogenic diets, and the past 6 years I've been strict ketogenic. Robert and I met a few years back, and we aligned in our vision and our philosophies on nutrition and how to utilize a ketogenic lifestyle to fuel performance and get to your best, most optimal body composition and performance through ketogenic lifestyle. So that's kind of where our paths have crossed. And
we met at KetoCon 2017, I believe, is where we met originally.
Yeah.
I've had him on the podcast several times. We are very aligned in our outlook and approach towards nutrition, training, and mindset. Big into stoicism, all that good stuff. It's just a natural, good fit. We're speaking the same language. And as such, since he's gone through the prep, since he's worked with me, he kind of sees how I've approached whole, competition prep protocol, my training philosophy, how I work with clients. We're going to bring him on as a coach to Deeper State Keto. So, meet our new Deeper State Keto coach, Trevor White.
Yeah, baby. I'm super pumped, guys.
And I'm excited too, because he knows, the cool thing about a competition prep is that when you go through it, even if you're not going to be doing a competition prep yourself, you gain so much more perspective, and you have this awareness as to what the human body is capable of. And then with that knowledge, you can take it and use it on your clients. So I'm super excited to see what he can do with any future clients he brings on. And it's just going to be a good fit. If you can't tell, we're super hot right now in this gym here in Arkansas humidity. I'm probably sweating and dripping on the screen right now. We just got a shower.
Sweat stash going on.
The sweat stash. But yeah, y'all, this is just a super short clip. I just wanted to shout out Trevor here and say that I'm super excited to have him on the Deeper State Keto team. We're going to be doing a bunch of more content. We're going to have some newsletters coming out. We're going to have some training protocols and programming templates posted. We're going to have some recipes. This guy's a beast in the kitchen when it comes to finding a way to make a strict ketogenic diet work, get into a deeper state of ketosis, all within the realm of having some flexibility with the kinds of foods you're incorporating to hit those macronutrient goals and micronutrient goals.
Yeah, I'm super excited to bring my philosophy as far as a flexible ketogenic approach towards, achieving a deeper state of ketosis.
It's going to be good stuff. So if you want coaching with Trevor, check him out. It's going to be at deeperstateketo.com there. And then I'll also link out to his personal profiles and the podcast we just got done recording at the farm. But definitely give him a follow, check him out, see what he's got going, because it's good stuff for sure.
Yes, sir.
Trevor, looking forward to it, bro.
Yes, sir.